Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on Android. Many fans want to experience this unique role-playing game on the go, and it is entirely possible with a few simple steps. We will cover two main approaches, using fan-made ports and exploring streaming or emulation. You will need your original game files for most methods, and a good controller can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Let's dive into the details. One popular way to play Undertale on your Android device is through unofficial, fan-made ports. These ports are developed by the community and require you to provide the original game's data files, typically found in your PC installation. You will need to transfer these files, often a folder named Data, Win, or similar, to a specific location on your Android device after installing the port's APK. Always ensure you download from trusted community forums to avoid any security risks. Another excellent option involves streaming the PC version of Undertale to your Android device or using PC emulation. Services like Steam Link or other remote desktop applications let you play the game running on your computer, with the video and controls streamed to your phone. For this, a strong Wi-Fi connection, ideally 5 GHz, is essential to minimize latency. Emulators, while more complex to set up, can also provide a full PC environment on your device. To truly enhance your Undertale experience on Android, consider using a physical Bluetooth controller. While touch controls are an option, a controller provides much greater precision and comfort, especially for boss battles. Additionally, optimize your phone settings by closing background apps and ensuring sufficient battery life. Remember, always ensure you legally own the PC version of Undertale to use its files, supporting the creators, and enjoying the game responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.